This is ClickBot. Cute, right? ClickBot is a family robot that's a bit different. His expressions and characteristics were designed by Carlos Bina, an award-winning designer. He has over 200 interactions that will make you fall in love with him. He can also dance, compete, and play with you. Play trivia. Chase the ball, and a ton of other games. This would already make him pretty remarkable, but here's where he's different. ClickBot is an entire universe. See, this is also ClickBot. It has wheels and can follow you around. This, it's also ClickBot. It can climb walls, and this one crawls, and this one is a mean driving machine. And this one serves snacks. Now these are not separate robots, they're all just one ClickBot. See, ClickBot is modular. The good kind of modular. The kind that works like magic. Instead of hundreds of motors, servos, cables, and chips, ClickBot is built from smart building blocks that know how you connect them. Right out of the box, ClickBot comes with 50 predefined robots you can build easily. But it doesn't end there. After you've mastered these, you can create more than 10,000 other robots, limited only by your imagination. Did we say different? Now let's talk STEM. ClickBot takes a new approach to STEM and learning code. Most STEM products are either too simple or way too complicated. ClickBot goes all the way from super basic to real-world coding. Here's how. Built a new robot by just clicking pieces together? How will you program it to drive? Well, you don't need to. Just hit record and move the robot however you wish. And that's it. Now you can control it. Want to teach it to do something? Hit record, move it, and that's it. You can now play that sequence. No code. Ready to level up? ClickBot is fully programmable with a friendly drag-and-drop coding interface. Blocky by Google. With a ton of sensors, you can really make it do anything. And you're not alone in this learning process. The ClickBot Academy has over 30 video tutorials that teach code from beginner to advanced, with many more added regularly. But even that is just to get you started. ClickBot has a built-in community where you can share your creations and learn from others, so you never run out of ideas or ways to learn new things. Want to level up even higher? ClickBot is also compatible with Python, so the code-savvy grown-up children can create even more complex actions. So to summarize, a lovable robot that plays games, dances, climbs, and drives, with smart modular building blocks that make it 10,000 robots, and STEM learning from starter to pro with tutorials and a great community. So if you want a new family member that's a little different, this is ClickBot. Cute, right?
Dive into a new communication experience. Express yourself with Pix, the first smart animated backpack that illuminates your flow and reveals it to the world. How does it work? You control it through your smartphone. Simply download the app and connect it to the backpack. Enjoy dozens of pictures and cartoons available in the app. Choose your favorite one and it appears on the backpack. Express your creativity. Create your own art and share it. It can be either a picture or a cartoon. The only limit is your imagination. Use the Pix app to personalize your backpack as much as you like. It's easy and fun. Communicate with the world around you. Share something you care about. Your moods and feelings, what you're up to, your favorite music, anything you like. How about interactive features like notifications and widgets? Let your Pix backpack help you in everyday life. After all, the Pix is still a backpack for your stuff. It's designed to be roomy, convenient, and stylish, and has enough compartments to carry everything you need. Highlight your personality with Pix.
You don't see that, do you? You don't see the millions of germs, viruses, microbes, and bacteria on that door, but they're there. Meet Hooky. Hooky is an antimicrobial, no-touch keychain tool. It creates a safe way to complete everyday tasks without touching shared surfaces that harbor bacteria and viruses. In the last few months, life has changed drastically for everyone, and some facts about viruses and cleanliness have been brought to light. 80% of illness-causing germs are spread through your hands. 1 in 5 people don't wash their hands. A single germ can multiply into more than 8 million germs in one day. Coronavirus, specifically, can live up to 72 hours on metal, plastic, and other hard surfaces. With the incredibly high infection rate of COVID-19, all these stats matter a lot. Hooky lets you go about your everyday life with safety and security and allows us to stop the spread together. The patented design lets you open doors, turn handles, push buttons, and even carry groceries without touching a single surface. The antimicrobial silicone coat ensures no pathogens stick to Hooky and prevents cross-contamination. Silicone is widely used in both medical and food industries because of its amazing antimicrobial properties, so you know you're in good hands. The silicone coat also prevents Hooky from scratching surfaces like car doors, tables, and door handles. Hooky is deceptively strong. With a die-cast aluminum body and multi-finger grip, Hooky can carry up to 50 pounds of weight. That's 15 grocery bags. Hooky is 3.75 inches in length, only 20 grams in weight, and is corrosion and rust-free. Fit it perfectly in your pocket or on your keychain. We have a responsibility to protect not only ourselves, but our community. Hooky was born out of this duty to ensure our safety and the safety of everyone around us. We can be a part of the solution. Back our campaign today, and let's stop the spread together.
There's a reason why we call the outdoors the wild. Because it is. Nature is not tamed. A river does not ask where to flow. To cope in nature's unpredictable conditions, you need the best gear with you. This is COMBAR, the only heavy-duty multi-tool that combines the core tools needed for the outdoors: an axe, a hammer, and a spade, along with dedicated room in the handle for a magazine or COMBAR's knife and saw. All tools fold into a rapid activation system that weighs only 3.2 pounds. As former officers in the IDF Special Forces and devout outdoorsmen, we know that the only way to execute a successful operation is by sweating the details, cutting absolutely no corners, and planning for every possible outcome. We applied the exact same logic when creating COMBAR. Our first goal was to make a tool with a lifetime warranty. The starting point was to ensure that each tool was developed according to US military spec standards. But since no such combined tool exists, there are no standards for it. So we created a new standard. We put COMBAR under heavy loads and smashed rocks with it. We left it in water for a week and poured sand into every opening. After every torture test, we double-checked that each tool was still fully functional and locked securely in place, making sure our safety mechanisms are up to the challenge. The only way to create a life-lasting tool is to use life-lasting materials. COMBAR's main body is made of aircraft-grade aluminum. The hammer is stainless steel. The spade is made of a single piece of titanium, and the axe combines both titanium and stainless steel to enable sharpening. The different parts are meticulously fused together to a single sturdy unit that can outperform any task. To provide a great grip while using these tools, the ergonomically designed and well-balanced handle completes COMBAR into a tool that feels perfect in your hand. Inside the handle, there's room for COMBAR's knife, made of stainless steel and crafted as a top survival knife. Next to it is a place for the saw, made of aircraft aluminum and polymer with a blade replacement mechanism for full flexibility. To carry COMBAR, we created a holster and a case, designed for durability and rapid activation, because nature doesn't wait for you to find your gear. We've been developing COMBAR for 3.5 years to make sure it comes out perfect. Light, sturdy, iconic. Wherever you go with it, and whatever you do with it, COMBAR is the perfect heavy-duty outdoor multi-tool. Whether you're an off-roader, an avid outdoorsman, casual camper, or a hardcore survivalist, COMBAR will become an inherent part of your travels. Get one, and be ready for whatever comes your way. COMBAR.